Your follower is not always your fan. Be happy not because everything is good, but because you can see the good in everything. You should always tell people how important they are to you, always. Hardship often prepare ordinary people for an extraordinary destiny. Train your mind to be calm in every situation. Anything you lose by being honest, you never really had to begin with. Today I refuse to stress myself out and about things I cannot control or change. Work hard because something great will be coming your way. Almost everything will work again if you unplug it for a few minutes, including you. It's okay to be sad after making the right decision. If peace is really what you want, then you will choose peace. Find someone that knows how to calm your storm. Turn your pain into anger, anger into motivation, and motivation into success. Sometimes we have to stop being scared and just go for it. Either it will work or it will not. That is life. Slow progress is better than no progress. My goal is not to be better than anyone else, but to be better than I used to be. The best sign of a healthy relationship is no sign of it on social media. Be a good person, but don't waste time proving it.